Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back with Life with Nicole Marie. Today, you guys, we are going to be having Panda Express and also friend mail. So please grab something to eat, sit down, join me, grab a snack, whatever you may like, and let's get into this wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Panda Express. Also, I'm going to be sharing friend mail with you guys as well. So those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. And for those of you that keep coming back, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Let me see here. This is not working for me. There we go. Sorry about that. Let me scooch over here a little. Alrighty. So anyways, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for, you guys? Just press that subscribe button, click the bell from red to gray, turn it to all, and you will be notified every time I make an upload. So anyways, today we have honey walnut shrimp. Then we have the chow mein noodles. I have 2 egg rolls over here. Y'all, when it comes to the crab ragoon, I don't know what they're doing over at Panda. I don't know. I have no idea. Apparently, there's a shortage on the crab. So you have cream cheese, wonton things, but you know what? Crab ragoon is where it's at for me. So anyways, I have 3 things of soy sauce over here. Soy sauce, sweet and sour sauce, and we have soy sauce. Plus we have our little fortune cookie. So anyways, let's get a thumbnail real quick. Let's see what we can do here. And then we will get going on the whole mukbang. These look really good. They do look good. Nah, let's not do that. Let's get after. All right, good enough. Let's get into the shrimp. Ooh, we got 2 of them kind of together. Together. Let me know in the comments, how are you guys doing? Oh, she's gonna just fall apart. Honey walnut shrimp. I'm going to open up one of these over here. Gary's off to my left over here. He's got, what was it? Some beef steak. Steak and, what was it? Steak and what? I don't remember. Peppered, was it peppered steak? They do not skimp on these noodles, I'll tell you that. They do not. I know I didn't go to my favorite spot today. And guys, because I'm so disappointed with the crab ragoon situation. I've said I was going to make some before. I've determined, yep, it's happening. I don't know when, but hopefully soon. Because I'm tired of being without. Let me pour some on. Let me pour a little sweet and sour on that. Ooh. We'll just use one for over there. I got plenty over here. Here's your fortune cookie, sweetie. Yeah. And then I got Bubba Keg Agua. You want me to open that?
Got it.
Okay. Alrighty then. So it is Thursday. How are we all doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Oh, I would like to say that for those of you that are enduring that hurricane, our prayers are with each and every one of you. I can't imagine. That thing is 400, what did they say? 400 miles? Well, it can't be feet. So it has to be, they said it was 400 miles wide. I was in Hurricane Francis and Charlie when I lived in Florida, and that was enough for me. I can tell you that our trailer we lived in, we didn't go seek shelter. We lived in a trailer. I lived in Auburndale, Florida, Central Florida at the time. And our trailer was doing this number. As I've told you guys before, my mom was born in Minnesota, but raised a great deal of her life in Corpus Christi, Texas. Oh, here's a piece of almond. So I got a hold of my cousin Diane. Hey, Diane. And she says the family's doing all right. The most thing they're going to be worried about is the storm surge. And flooding. I like these walnuts. This is what I enjoy going to when I go to Panda, is getting this honey walnut shrimp. If you have not tried the honey walnut shrimp, I recommend it. I don't like rice with my stuff, so that's why I always get the lo mein noodles. Let me see if we can do let's work on another thumbnail. Something like that. I'd show you the front. It has my address on there. If you follow me on Instagram, I have a heck of a time trying to get a link. I think I did it. I'll just put it down in there. It's the same as my title up in here. It's Life with Nicolle Marie. I will put a link because you can share a link to your last post and it will take you straight to my Instagram. I'll do that. Or I'll share a clip from here and do that with that, and then I'll figure it out. I'll put something in the description box. Everything that I talk about today will be in the description box. All right, let's get into this chicken egg roll. Hey, noodles. You're not gonna focus? Nope. It's good. Let's get a few more bites of noodles, you guys. Take a bite. Oh, she wants to focus on the noodles. Ah. The old microphone got a little piece. I love this stuff. So, should we get into that friend mail? So I was just going to say too, if you're connected with me over on Instagram and you want to send stuff over, all you have to do is DM me. I don't like putting that kind of stuff up out for everybody to see. But if me and you are or connected or you've emailed me, ooh, there was a shrimp hiding down in there. We gonna get her. We gonna get her. I love sweet and sour sauce. I'm a fan. And I have Joy. I did not forget this time my Be the Difference goggles.
So it won't get in your eye.
So it won't get in my eye. I'm over here doing the most. Oh my God. All right. Can you hand me the what is it called? Sanitizer. Had a brain fart. I don't want to get grease or anything on whatever I'm opening, so let's do that. All right. That ain't gonna work either. So anyways, this is from Veggie Pals. This is from Abby. Abby, I got your gift here. Excuse me. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Let's take a look. It says, please do not bend, of course, so I have no idea what's inside. It says, smile, God loves you a bunch. Smile, God loves you a bunch. She's got, I don't know how I'm going to do it because I don't have enough. It's all right. She drew a star here and then put an N there. It was like, what do you call it? It's them little spongy ends. All right. Without further ado, I just got this the other day. Thank you so much, Abby. Oh my God, are you serious? Here's a card. We're going to open the card first. Aww. Here's the card. Amy got a hold of me, and we talked a little bit before. I already know what this is. Well, I don't know what the contents is, but we were just discussing. I like your warm and friendly style, your sense of humor, and your sunny smile. Oh, thank you, Amy, or Abby. Abby, at Veggie Pals. From Abby. Okay. I will share what she wrote. She says, Nicolle. She says, happy late birthday and happy trip around the sun. What a joyful time a birthday celebration is, and I pray that this year will be the best one so far. You bring so much fun and laughter to the YouTube peeps, and you are loved more than you'll ever know. Oh. Stay well, sweet pal, Abby. Oh, no, I'm not going to cry on here. Abby! Oh, Amelia and Amy, you guys. Make a joyful noise to the Lord, all the earth. Break forth into joyous song and sing praises. Psalms 98:4. Oh. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Psalms 118, verse 24. It says, I like the chance this message brings to wish you bright and happy things. Happy birthday. Happy belated birthday, Nicolle. Love you bunches. Amy, Amelia, and Abby. Veggie Pals. Oh, thank you so, so much, you guys. Oh, Gary's crying. No. Oh, Abby. Oh, honey. Can y'all see? That looks absolutely just like me. Oh my God, this is going to be my new logo, Abby. This is going to be my new logo, you guys. Oh my God.
There you go.
We're getting a frame for this. Nobody touch it.
And then if you be careful with that, we could make t-shirts with that.
Yeah.
And show that people at that t-shirt
Thank
place.
you so much, Abby. Hugs and kisses to you, honey. Thank you so much. Thank you, Amy. Thank you, Amelia. You guys rock. Oh my God. And if you guys don't know, Abby drew this. She's an artist. I'm gonna leave a link. I'm gonna leave their link in my description box. If you are not already with Veggie Pals, please head over there and join them. They are so loving, so caring, and so nice. Look at that. And she's an artist. Abby, yes, look at that. Oh, honey, I love this. Thank you so, so much. Mwah. Thank you, really. Okay. We gotta get a frame for that. We are getting a frame for that. She's going up. I'm going to be very careful with this. Very careful. Thank you so, so much, honey. Thank you. Oh, my goodness.
You're gonna put it right beside me.
Yeah, we're going to put it right over here. Right over here. We'll get it all done. You see where Gary is? Can you see it right there? Should we put it right under him over here? Because if I put it right up aside, you wouldn't see. We'll get it figured out.
I went to Comic-Con and do that.
Because that's Gary's Comic-Con picture. We went to Comic-Con this year in February. Was it February? It was before everything hit. Anyways, and that he had an artist do him in that feature right there. And that he was a local artist. He lives down in Minneapolis or St. Paul, but he came back home here to Fargo for Comic-Con. Well, thank you guys so, so much. I love it. Oh, gosh. Girl, you are talented. You are absolutely... Y'all are all talented. My goodness. You are. Yep. Yes, ma'am. Well, honey, thank you so much. We're definitely gonna go get us a frame to put that in. I need that, and I'm gonna use that for my logo. Yes, I want to figure out how I can get that up there and put it for my. I want to make some shirts with it too. Thinking. Oh wow. I love that. You guys need to go over. Y'all do need to go over and check them out. You really do. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I know she did one for Ginger Snap 44. And I know she did one for Miss Sugar too. And oh, beautiful, beautiful artwork. She's got a great eye for that. Well, you guys, I think I'm going to save this for a little snack later. I'm not full, but I'm comfortable. And this will make a perfect little snack for later. It sure will. Should we read the fortune cookie real quick? Honey cakes is just... Oh, you mixed it all together?
Yep.
Let's see what the fortune is real quick. I just wanted to do mostly, it's getting into 20 minutes. Goodness. I don't eat these. Your success is inevitable. Woohoo! You want to read yours real quick? You want me to open it? Panda Express. All right. Let's get into this one here. Gary's is a cheerful heart will make its own song. Aw, there's good things. I feel so blessed and so honored to be on this YouTube journey with you guys. I really, really am. And thank you so much for each and every one of you that have been here. I did have, like I said, expressed that I had a channel prior to this, but things went wrong with the whole, an individual. It was just crazy. But anyways, I have, y'all, the people that I have met now versus then, you guys really warm my heart. And for everyone that came back over here and to show love and support and care. And I just really, my heart is just blessed and touched by each and every one of you. It really is. Gary feels the same way. We're just thankful that we're able to be here with you guys on this platform and making content, enjoying doing challenges and cooking and collabing and just being goofy and having fun with life. And that's what this is all about. I encourage you, if you were thinking about making a YouTube channel, you know what? You don't need a bunch of fancy lighting right away. You can just grab your phone and start making videos. I encourage you to have fun because you only get one life to live. You might as well enjoy it, right? So anyways, guys, mwah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share me out. I love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Until next video. Bye, guys.